So the problem is you want to do affiliate marketing, but you have a limited amount of time. You have a limited budget. So what you actually need is a real plan to focus and figure out how to use your time wisely to generate traffic to create a real income source from doing affiliate marketing. Let's take a look at this. Best hiking boots. Now, if you were to go for this keyword over on Google, and the idea here is to use Google, free traffic from Google, utilizing very specific keywords. And we're going to get very specific, and we're going to use ChatGPT or AI to do this for us. But I wanted to lay the foundation or the idea here, the concept of best hiking boots. When people are searching for something that is quote unquote best, so best hiking boots, they are definitely most likely ready to pull out their credit card and make a purchase, or click on your affiliate link, make a purchase so you can earn a commission. But are you going to rank for best hiking boots and the fact that these sponsored ads that lead directly to a product, or your competition, the New York Times, Switchback Travel, Gear Lab, all of these most likely have been updated recently. Here you can see December 7th, 2023. This is February 2024. But most of these, this is January 14th, 2024. Most of these have been updated, and it's time.com, the New York Times, Switchback Travel, big sites. And again, you're going up against these sponsored or this sponsored carousel directly from Google. Keep scrolling down here. People also ask, then it takes you into Reddit forums. But one thing that you don't see until you get closer to the bottom, you only see one video down here. So a video or utilizing Google or YouTube traffic and creating videos may be the way to go. But what if you took this a little deeper and you thought about creating content, helpful content, not in the form of a best review, but actually creating a post or a piece of content that is targeted at a very specific keyword, breaking in your hiking boots tips and tricks. Or, as Google suggests here, how to break in hiking boots in one day, how to break in hiking boots ankle, how to break in hiking boots Reddit, hiking boots that don't need breaking in, how long to break in hiking boots, how to break in a very specific type, Merrell hiking boots, Keen hiking boots, or hiking boots that are in leather. Hopefully at this point you see the idea here is you are going for a different search intent, and you're also going for what is called a longer tail keyword search, or a more specific search versus someone that just says, you know what, I'm looking for the best pair of hiking boots out there, and they type in best hiking boots. Now, how can you do this in different niches, and where does this information come from? I simply just went to ChatGPT and I asked it to list a few niches. Here you can see home appliance niche dishwashers. Our idea here is to optimize our keyword, or to do keyword optimization. Start with a broad category like dishwashers and refine it to specific or to capture specific buyer intents. It's going to give me detailed instructions here, and it gives me 10 long tail phrases. I did the same thing for gaming laptops, as well as the search that you just saw here for outdoor gear niche, or the outdoor gear niche of hiking boots. Keyword optimization. Start with a broad term like hiking boots. We went for the best hiking boots. And then here, the detailed instructions are understand different hiking environments and the needs of various hikers. This is you diving into the niche to understand what people are actually searching for. Again, this goes back to the idea of having a limited budget and you taking your limited amount of time, doing your research, and creating very, very detailed content that help people understand different hiking environments, and then different phrases that hikers might use, and then create content. And I'm going to highlight this again. Create content that provides value, such as detailed reviews or guides, focusing on those keywords, and those 10 long tail keyword phrases are right here. And you can see right here, waterproof hiking boots for tropical climates, lightweight hiking boots with best ankle support. Remember, we saw in our search about ankles. It mentioned there a keyword that targeted ankles. And then you can see by focusing on these detailed long tail keywords within each niche, smaller sites can effectively compete with larger brands. Again, that carousel of sponsored Google ads on the search for best. And you can see that you can actually compete if you focus on these long tail keywords. Again, let's go back and take a look. And I'm in incognito mode, or I'm in an incognito tab, as you can see here. So I'm not searching from my own account. And I'm taking a look at what comes up for best hiking boots, that carousel ad, and then these major brands. If you go over, or before we do that, scroll down, because there was one video here on YouTube. If you take breaking in your hiking boots, and again, you can look at, this is the keyword that we got from ChatGPT. Here was how to break in hiking boots ankle. That was that keyword ankle that we saw ChatGPT give us. So, but the idea here is there's a snippet here from REI, but I wanted to focus in on the search results and it being videos. So the idea and the concept here is to utilize your limited time and budget to think, does this make a better video? So can I use free traffic from YouTube? Is that a better place for me to utilize my time wisely to create better content, to get my affiliate links in front of people once I help them with videos over on YouTube? Or do I focus in on coming down here and going for these other sites? Here's Columbia, I believe that's a brand. Here's Reddit, here's Quora. Backpacker, these are smaller sites. You can see here, this is older content from 2021. Again, this is 2024. So there's probably something here that we can use. Now understand, I can simply do this as well. If I want to do real research, I could come here and I can copy this link address. Then as we saw, ChatGPT gave us some terms, and this isn't real keyword research in ChatGPT. This is a language model, a large language model, trying to give us words that match the questions that we ask based upon all of the knowledge it has about that niche, or what people have searched for in the past, or what is on the internet about hiking boots. So it's a very good starting point, but we go to Keyword Planner or Google Ads Keyword Planner, and we go to discover new keywords, start with a website based upon our search. We go ahead and we paste in backpacker.com skills, how to break in your new hiking boots, and we click use this page only, and we click get results. This is going to give us a list of actual keywords as Google sees it. Now, this is taking that site that we know ranks for that phrase, and it's showing you Google Ads data. This is data that Google Ads is giving you if you want to run ads. But people that are running ads or you creating helpful content, these are actual searches that people are typing in. So people are actually typing in these searches from this data, from this website. Then you can scroll down here. This is about the competition and the amount of money or the ad spend. So top of range bid. This is about bidding. So top of page bid, top of page bid. Wow, that's a tongue twister. Top of page bid, low range, shows the lower range of what advertisers have historically paid for keywords. Again, this is keyword research for buying ads, but it's the same. People are searching for these keywords, and here now you have a list of keywords, and you can take this list of keywords, understanding here you can see the average monthly searches as well as the competition. If you were to click on competition, it will allow you to sort, and you can click it again. Then it will give you here a blank line, which is it doesn't have a value for competition. And here you can see you have low competition, and you add that with, or you take and you look at the average monthly searches. So it has low competition, but it has a good number of monthly searches. Trail running shoes instead of hiking boots. Low competition, an okay average monthly search. I wouldn't worry too much about that. But what you're doing is you're comparing trail running shoes instead of hiking boots, or situations based upon different scenarios or different hikes, and you're creating helpful content. Difference between hiking and mountaineering boots, difference between walking shoes and hiking boots, and down here, difference between trekking and backpacking. These are all low competition with search volume. You could take these keywords and then you could create more helpful content to compete in that niche, just like what we saw here in the outdoor niche hiking boots based upon these 10 long tail phrases. Then you could take this same idea and you can keep going inside of ChatGPT. You can also utilize that data from Keyword Planner to assist you. But at this point, I was having a chat and I said, now give me a list of long tail phrases for content in each niche that has a different searcher intent. Remember, when we were looking at best hiking boot, we are looking at a searcher or a person that is on the internet typing into Google, tell me the best boot to buy right now because I need a good boot. I need a recommendation. Here you're saying change the searcher intent, and ChatGPT is going to give you long tail phrases for each niche that targets different searcher intents or other searcher intents besides a review. Here we did it for dishwashers. Searcher intent is comparison, installation, and maintenance tips. You're going to see that this list of keywords is about comparison, one versus the other, how to install a dishwasher, or once you have a dishwasher, how to maintain it. Same for tech gadgets for gaming laptops. The searcher intent here is folks are looking for buying guides. Again, that's similar to a review, but they're looking for more detailed information, performance optimization, and accessory recommendations. Here you're going to see another list of keywords that you can go and you can take and you can put those into Google, and then you can do that trick we just did where we took that link over to Google Keyword Planner to get actual data from Google. Here we had the outdoor gear niche. Here the searcher intent is advice, care tips, and hiking preparation. Just like you saw from the keyword ideas that we saw here are low competition and actually have traffic coming to them. The difference between hiking and walking shoes, hiking boots and mountaineering boots, hiking shoes, the difference between trekking and backpacking, all keywords you would utilize in that niche. So you got those ideas here from ChatGPT, and you also utilize this information to do a real search and then take that back to Keyword Planner. And here you can see these long tail phrases are designed to cater to specific searcher intents like how-to guides, troubleshooting, and preparation tips, providing a broader content range than just doing product reviews. Now, to bring this to a real example, what I did here was add a new niche for keyword best spotting scope for astronomy. Where did that come from? That came from an article that I posted here in Universe Unriddled. This is my AI blog, or the blog that I created using AI to create different types of content. I actually have a post under the category here of Astronomy Basics, the best spotting scope for astronomy in 2023. So this is a keyword that I was going for, the best spotting scope for astronomy. So I take that back to ChatGPT and I said, add a new keyword, and it gave me searcher intent for product selection, usage tips, and astronomical observation guides. It gave me more long tail keywords that I can go after to attack or to create different content to attract people that are interested in this topic. So again, if I was to go back to Google and type in how to choose a spotting scope for beginner astronomers, this was the keyword or the long tail phrase that ChatGPT gave me. You can see here a snippet from February 23, 2023. And then you can scroll down. You can see here that these are buyer guides like we saw ChatGPT recommend. These are all videos. So that might be better for me to explore doing YouTube videos. But then it goes down to Cloudy Nights. This was published July 5th, 2023. B&H Photography, and then some other articles here. But I want to focus in on this. One of the search results. Show search results with choose, because the keyword phrase here, or the word, a word that's important here that's missing is choose, because I typed in how to choose a spotting scope for beginner astronomers, but the word missing, or the missing word here, is choose. So it says show results with just choose. This is the way you can drill down and do further research. You can see this article is binoculars versus spotting scope for astronomy. Here is how to choose a spotting scope, or how to choose a spotting scope for astronomy. Then at this point, I could take this and I can copy that link. And you guessed it, go back to Google Ads Keyword Planner. Go ahead, discover new keywords. Go ahead and start with a website. Paste in that website link. Use this page only. Click Get Results. Then again, here I am presented with keywords from that page. Again, competition, average monthly searches for keywords. These are shorter keywords. Remember, we're looking at going after long tail keywords. Typically, if you go ahead and you select the competition and you readjust or you resort this and you change the competition here, and don't sleep on these just because they have a line through them or they haven't been labeled or they haven't been ranked as far as competition. There are some keywords here that you might be able to use. So make sure that you're taking a look at all these. Here you can see observation of stars and planets telescope. It's not exactly a spotting telescope, but it's all the different types of things that people would be looking for this keyword or for that page. Again, this idea came from ChatGPT, these keywords where I'm starting, and I created this website and this article, Universe Unriddled. I did all this over 100 days, creating 100 blog posts using AI. There's a link in the description to that playlist where I walk through showing you how I did all that. Again, it goes back to having limited time, limited money, and looking at the resources you need to create actual content that people are searching for, plus utilizing ChatGPT and the large language model to give you ideas in your niche based upon what it knows about that niche and things that people would be searching for, different types of content with different types of searcher intent. These are the types of things that you want to spend your time learning, understanding that keywords are different based upon what people are looking for, and the content that you're creating is going to satisfy that search. Then they're going to read that, then they're going to click through, or you're going to link to the product that you recommend. They're going to click, they're going to buy, and you're going to earn a commission. And that's really all you need at this point is a proven plan. The next thing you need to do is just focus and get started. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.